What's up, family? How's everybody doing today on this lovely Friday afternoon? Hopefully every single one of you guys is having a blessed day, hanging with your loved ones, being safe wherever you're at in this world that we live in, guys. It's your boy Jaime G, dropping your video to let you know what's going on in the wild west of crypto land, guys. We're obviously going to talk about Doge, right? Because this is a Dogecoin channel, guys, and crypto too, right? But I'm part of the Doge army, and I like to keep everybody, all my viewers and subscribers, always updated on the latest and greatest on what's going on in Dogecoin and in the overall crypto markets. Why? Because it's very important to always know what's going on. Because if you don't know what's going on, then you get left behind. And no Doge army soldier shall be left behind. All right, guys, we're gonna briefly we're gonna get into some Dogecoin news, right? From the Elon Musk tweet that helped push the price of Doge up today, up almost 13%, which was a good thing, right? None of us saw that coming, so that acted as a positive catalyst. So we're going to briefly dive into that. Then we're going to look at the charts and just briefly touch on levels of support and resistance. Now, if you are new to the channel and possibly a new viewer, please consider to like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, maybe give your boy a fat thumbs up. I appreciate the love. And I am doing a giveaway, guys, of $300 of crypto when we hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're pretty close to getting there, guys. So if you're new to the channel and you like free money, what you waiting for? We're giving free money away around here. Hit that notification bell, become a subscriber, and turn it on to all. And none of this is financial advice. It's just me running my mouth on YouTube. Nothing more, nothing less. All right, let's just get it, guys. All right, as you can see, Bitcoin is at 1.67%. It is at 33,466. Hopefully, we will test that level of resistance at that 35K, and hopefully we'll smash past it this weekend, guys, so that the overall markets can continue to push up. You know what I mean? Bitcoin hasn't gave up, guys. You know what I mean? A lot of people continue to say that we're going to go down to the mid-20s, but it hasn't happened yet. You know what I mean? We continue to stay above this 30K. You know what I mean? One of these days, Bitcoin is just going to shoot to the moon, right? And he's going to take the overall markets, including Doge, with it. All right, guys, let's get into the main superstar, Dogecoin, to the moon, baby. All right, guys, we're sitting at 22 cents. We are up 5.23%, which is good, guys, right? Because we've been down for the past couple of days. We were down like a hurt dog. You know what I mean? 24-hour high is sitting at 22 cents, guys, and the 24-hour low is at 19 cents. Market cap is at $28.7 billion. Volume, whoop, whoop, is good, looking good for being a Friday, guys. We are sitting at $3.08 billion. That is double from what we were at yesterday, guys, because we were like at 1.0, I think, $7 billion yesterday, right? So we have doubled in volume, which is a good thing, which creates buying pressure, which in return helps the price of Doge push up, and that's what we're wanting, right? Because the less volume there is, 24-hour volume, the more volatile that the price of Doge is, for those of you that don't know. So volume is looking good. That's a positive thing for being the weekend, right? Because on the weekends, guys, there's always a lot more volatility, less volume just on the overall markets in general, right? All right, guys, let's dive into the charts real quick and see what's crackling here. As you can see, guys, we've obviously been on a downtrend for the past 8 days. If you look at it, right, it's pretty much been on a stair step, right? Just boom, gradually working its way down, right, on a downtrend. If you look at it for the past 8 days, the only promising thing for today's candle is it looks a little bit indecisive, right? It has a wick on the top and obviously a long wick coming down. That tends to show that the price is undecisive, right, on what it wants to do, whether it wants to go up or down. Right now, being that we have more volume today, hopefully that's going to help give us a reversal, and we continue to push up and now start on an uptrend, being that we've been on a downtrend for the past 8 days. You know what I mean? But overall, guys, we have been consolidating, trading sideways for the past like 2.5 to 3 weeks. If you look, right, we've been trading pretty sideways, guys. You know what I mean? And anything that consolidates, right, it's just prime and getting ready for a breakout, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. But we're hoping for the upside, right? Because we have so much positive news surrounding Dogecoin for the past weeks, months. We've been having positive catalyst after positive catalyst, right? The list is endless, right, on all the good news that has been surrounding Doge, right? So we're hoping that that's going to help like the ignition to boom, shoot Doge to the moon. You know what I mean? So guys, 21 cents is obviously still a level of support, and 25 cents is resistance, guys. You know, this 21 cents is holding up pretty good, right? Which is good because We dipped down 19 cents yesterday, guys, but thank God Elon helped with the tweet today, early this morning, and it helped bring us back above that level of support at 21 cents. And now we are sitting 1 cent above it, which is good. Hopefully we can continue to hold it over the weekend. Now, all right, guys, now that's what I have as far as the chart goes. Now let's dive into this article here real quick. Now it says, let me shrink myself up. It says Dogecoin briefly spiked 13% on Elon Musk's plan to make it superior to Bitcoin. Elon Musk has criticized Bitcoin and Ethereum's scaling efforts while promoting Dogecoin's plans. Then it goes on to say here, it says multi-billionaire Elon Musk today criticized the scaling efforts of the two most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, while claiming that the plans to upgrade Dogecoin is superior. And we're hoping that it'll possibly maybe be one of the world's currency, right? That's why we're standing behind it as Doge Army, right, guys? As Doge soldiers. Now, Matt Wallace, right, sent a tweet out saying, reminder, the Dogecoin update is coming soon. It will position Doge perfectly to become one of the most used currencies in the world. Then Elon responded back saying, would help and it helped as be a positive catalyst earlier this morning to the price of Doge, right? And that's why we're sitting in the green, right? It says BTC and Ethereum are pursuing a multi-layer transaction system, but base layer transaction rate is slow and transaction cost is high. It says there is merit IMO to Doge maximizing base layer transaction rate and minimizing transactions cost, while with exchanges acting as the de facto secondary level. You know what I mean, guys? And that's what we want. Hopefully Doge will become currency for that the world can use. You know what I mean? It'll be huge, right? A lot of people already, there's over 1,400 companies that accept it as a form of payment already. We're in the early stages of adoption, guys. You know what I mean? There's more on here, guys. If you want to continue to read on to it, right? You guys can do your own research and dive. It's in Decrypt, right? I don't want to bore you to death reading you all this stuff, but guys, I like to read you guys these articles because there's obviously gold nuggets in here, right? You got to learn to decipher and pick out the good from the bad in all these articles, and plus it keeps you guys informed on what's going on. And that's what I have this channel for, to let my Doge community, Doge army, to know what's going on at all times. You know what I mean? Now, I just briefly wanted to touch on this article here, guys. I already shared about it, but I just want to reiterate how important this is and how bullish this is for Doge, for acceptance, and you know what I mean. So it was the article about this guy here in the House of Representatives, right? It says U.S. Congressman declares investments in Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, right? And the reason why it says U.S. Congressman Barry Moore has declared his recent cryptocurrency purchases. He bought Dogecoin and Cardano and Ether, and then there was another representative as well, guys, that had purchased it as well. I can't remember the gentleman's name. But the reason why I'm reiterating this, right, guys, is to show you that, you know, they might not come out and say, oh, I'm a digital asset supporter of cryptocurrency, of Dogecoin, and so on and so forth. But the point being is they're thinking it, guys. And this obviously proves that adoption is here. You have people in the House of Representatives buying Dogecoin. What does that tell you, man? That's a bullish, in my opinion, that is a bullish positive catalyst, right? For the near and foreseeable future. And that's why I just wanted to reiterate it and show you how far we have come from just a meme token and a token as a joke, right? But now you have people in the House of Representatives buying it, right? It is no longer looked at as a joke, right? And that's what I'm saying. It's over 1,400 companies are now accepting it. Right now, if it was continued as a joke, still people wouldn't be wanting to accept it as a form of payment. You got to be diamond hands. Remember why we're investing. Your convictions got to be strong, guys. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. Your Jaime, this is what I have for you guys. Hopefully it was useful and insightful. You guys stay safe and stay blessed on this Friday evening. Peace out, guys. Until tomorrow.